Hey yo, it's Chriso. I'm busy tiling away and I just had a thought, oh Jesus, I should be showing that. I should have the camera on. So yeah. Sometimes it's like that. I get a bit busy and it's done and I realise that, hey, I should have had the camera on there. So it was turn off the radio. Another one there. Nice. See how I've got this? I'm a little bit too high, but that's all right. You know, don't worry about it. As long as it's waterproofed and it's got some slope, just fill it up. I was going to make my niche a little bit higher, but it looks so good when it's all in a tile line, you know. And I couldn't go past that, so I thought, oh, I'll keep it at a tile height. I did want to go a little bit bigger, but I'm not going to now. This is how you do it. So if you are a little bit too big in your opening, don't worry about it. If you've got fall on that bottom, your home and hose, just fill it up with scrap tile or mud, or if I have glue left over at the end of the day, I'll pop in there. Like, no biggie. You fill it with something. Nice. When I do this wall this afternoon, I can then take a measurement when I get, I can then take a measurement, write it down. When I get home, I can contact Chris, the screen guy, let him know the measurements, and he can start making the screen up so it can be fitted relatively pretty soon. And then I don't get a hold up So my workload after this bathroom is a fully tiled laundry, another bathroom, toilet, another full bathroom after the laundry, which is in this house, and then another job, another ensuite, and then my next one after that is a floor area, 100 square meter floor area. Most of my work is word of mouth. I choose what I want to do. I'm lucky, but it's taken a lot of years. Built up a good name, and that's sort of how it goes. I've had the flu now for a week and a half, and it sort of wants to hang on a bit. Pop that in there. Nice. A bit hard breathing with a clogged up hooter. It'll go. There you have it, folks. I've made them the same width, but I had to allow for my tile, so it's the same size, both sides. That's why I've come out a little bit. Hello. Need to cut off a bit or make it a bit shorter. All right, we'll see you soon.